Session 13 of Fundamentals of Financial Management of 4th semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about the nature of projects or type of projects for investment and types of capital budgeting decisions. Investment projects or proposals. First is independent proposals. These are proposals which do not compete with one another, and the same may be either accepted or rejected on the basis of a minimum return in investment required. All those proposals which give a higher return than a certain desired rate of return are accepted and the rest are rejected. Second is contingent or dependent proposals. This depends on other proposals. These are the proposals whose acceptance depends on the acceptance of one or more other proposals. For example, a new machine may have to be purchased on account of substantial expansion of a plant. In this case, investment in the machine is dependent upon expansion of plant. When a contingent investment proposal is made, it should also contain the proposal on which it is dependent in order to have a better perspective of the situation. Third is mutually exclusive proposals. These compete with others. These are the proposals which compete with one another in a way that the acceptance of one precludes the acceptance of others. For example, if a company is considering investment in one of two temperature control systems, acceptance of one system will rule out the acceptance of another. Thus, two or more mutually exclusive proposals cannot both or all be accepted. Now let us see the types of capital budgeting decisions. So the first decision is accept-reject decision. In view of the investment proposals under consideration, capital budgeting decisions, that is accept-reject decision, relate to independent projects which compete with one another. Such decisions are generally taken on the basis of minimum return on investment. All those proposals which yield a rate of return higher than the minimum rate of return or the cost of the capital are accepted and the rest are rejected. Second is mutually exclusive project decision. Such decisions relate to proposals which compete with one another in such a way that acceptance of one automatically excludes the acceptance of the other. Thus, one of the proposals is selected at the cost of other. For example, a company may have the option of buying a new machine or second-hand machine or taking an old machine on hire or selecting a machine out of more than one brand available in the market. In such a case, the company may select one best alternative out of the various options by adopting some suitable technique or method of capital budgeting. The third is capital rationing decisions. A firm may have several profitable investment proposals but only limited funds. In such a case, these various investment proposals compete for limited funds and thus the firm has to ration those investment proposals. The firm selects combination of proposals that will yield the greatest profitability by ranking them in descending order of their profitability.